dice en el YouTube. Ok, ahí deben estarme viendo. Ya debería estar apareciendo en pantalla. Si no, no sé qué onda. Ahí va. Ahora sí me estaría viendo. Ahora voy a pausar un segundo el audio. Por alguna razón no me escucho. No me escucho. No estaría escuchando. Hola, hola, hola. A ver si ahora se escucha. Hola, hola, hola. Habla, 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 habla. Hable. Que no estoy oyéndote. En absoluto. A ver, ahí puedo hacer la música. Hable. Hable. No habla. No habla. Se queda callado. ¿Por qué no se oye? Why, you idiot. Hola. Hola. Ahora. Por alguna razón no se está escuchando mi voz. Hola. ¿Por qué no te escucho? No. Nada de nada. Hola. Hola. Buenas. Acá la tierra. A ver. ¿Por qué carajo no se escucha? Encima. O sí se escucha. Bueno, no estaría escuchando lo que digo. Igual no me gusta. No sé por qué no se escucha. O sea, sí veo como que cambia el micrófono, se ve que me oye. Está muy bajito. Sí se escucha, pero está bajito. A ver. Input. ¿Cuál será? ¿Será este? Hola. A ver. Puede ser que sea eso. Si es eso, debería ahora de escucharme. A ver ahí. Cuando lo cambio. Habla. Dale. Hola. Ahí está. Era eso. Bien. Listo. Ya con eso. Bien. Ok, ahora sí, estamos en directo, gente. Era el micrófono nomás que estaba ahí con volumen bajo. Claramente así no me iba a escuchar mucho lo que dijera, si es que decía algo importante. Lo dudo, pero bueno. Ya que están acá, por lo menos que me puedan escuchar, ¿no? Bueno, creo que está demasiado fuerte ahora el micrófono. Lo voy a bajar ahí un poquito. Ahí está. Bueno. Ahí estaríamos. Les presento mi programa, lo que estaba haciendo. Estoy con BIM, primero que nada. ¿Qué estoy haciendo en BIM? Bueno, ahora mismo nada, o sea, iba a ponerme ahora a seguir. Bueno, esto es un fichero de la parte que estaba haciendo, que era la parte de consistencia de los referencial. Y ok, necesito. Mira, me creé esta especie de atajo que es, si escribo pph, ahí me hace, bueno, se dirige hasta la carpeta, hasta el directorio, y abre también Jupyter. Lo creé con el chat en realidad. O sea, lo había hecho por mi cuenta, no funcionó, así que bueno, el chat me tiró un código bastante más complicado que por ahí era un alias, pero un alias un poquito más complicado de lo que llegué, pero bueno, aunque sea, lo intenté. Bien. El tema es que ahora ya lo tengo más cómodo, o sea, no te va a hacer tanto quilombo. Bueno, estaba... ¿En qué estaba? Estaba acá arriba. Compare sets in a list. Estoy medio complicado en esta parte. De hecho, tendría que comunicarme con mi equipo. Si me abre WhatsApp. Ahí va. Creo que me acaba de cerrar el... no de cerrar. Bueno, no sé. Yo voy a seguir tratando de seguir con esto, porque si no, no llego. Gente. Bueno. Por alguna maldita razón, esta no está funcionando. Voy a, por las dudas, reiniciar el kernel y correr de nuevo. Vamos a ver qué carajos puede hacer el problemita que estamos teniendo. Problemón, lo que sea que estamos teniendo. Ok, veo que no está llegando hasta ahí el código, así que se rompió en alguna parte anterior. Acá está. Era lo de recién. Bien. O sea, mal, pero bueno, no sé si sabemos dónde. List of sets 2. Bueno, es porque nunca lo... non-type, no. Están en none. O sea que no tienen nada. Por lo visto. O sea, yo si ejecuto esto, no hay nada. Muy bien. List of dataset to data and hairs in a list. Voy a tratar de acordarme qué carajo estaba haciendo. Lo último era esto de list of dataset to data and hairs in a list. Creo que este título estaba horrible. Lista de conjuntos de datos a datos y hairs en lista. Bueno, está bastante bien explicado igual. En realidad sea tuple de datos y cabecera en lista. Creo que me la complica el pedo igual porque no sé. List of sets. O sea, yo quiero que sea, probablemente sea none, ¿no? Esto en la posición 0 y none. Ok. Lista de datasets a datos y hairs en una lista. 10 household. ¿Qué carajo es 10 household? Esto es la lectura de múltiples ficheros. Yo si hago 10 household, esto debería explotar. O bueno, no explotó por suerte. Es una lista de tuplas. Supongo que era una lista de tuplas. Una lista con las tuplas lista. Ok. Ya bueno, estoy tocando cualquier cosa. Teclado que nos... Estoy acostumbrado a sentar porque la verdad que estoy perdido y encima estoy frustrando. Y empezar si me siento capaz puedo pensar. No sé, sentado. Ciertamente no hay mucha explicación. Uy, qué bajito que quedé. Ok, ahí se ve un poquito de la cama de mi hermano que está desastre. No, no se ve, listo. Igual se lo dije, así que es un poco al pedo. Bueno, yo me voy a ver. Porque ahora está como a la altura de mi vista. Antes no. Yo lo quiero aquí. Lista de conjuntos. Ok, espera, vamos a ir a leer. Read multiple files. Multiple files. Read multiple files. Where the hell is this? Ah, porque esto estaba en otro. Ok. Esto estaba. ¿Qué mierda debo hacer? Debe estar en utils. Este. Is this one? Fue intencional esto. Quería ver qué era. Files, buffer, code, file finder, git. Okay. Bueno. By the way. Bueno, ¿en qué carajo estábamos? Read multiple files. No. De hecho sí. Ah, no, este. Read file. O sea, este llama a este, así que esto lo abre, lo lee y me separa los headers y los datos. Los retorna. Read multiple files. Recibe una lista de las rutas de los datasets. Y bueno, va creando una lista de estos pares de headers y data. Y retorna esa lista. Bien. Ok, ahora yo me quiero mover al otro porque están abiertos a la vez. Como mierda me muevo a otro split. ¿Y eso? Mira. ¿Cómo voy a cambiar de ventana? Tab. No. Switch to other buffer. Maybe it's that. qué mierda. Quiero volver al otro. Okay. Sí, ahí cambié de... Ah, pero lo abrí acá. ¿Cómo mierda voy a cambiar entre... Let me... What the hell, bro? AI, how can I manage the Windows in India? Move left, move up, so yeah, C, I didn't want to do that. Undo, no, bro, undo. Ok, esto es bastante interesante. Mierda. Ah, la cera era control. Claro, no iba a sacar más. Control. Ahí, ahora sí. Claro, la velocidad de la luz así. Nada que ver. Ya estaba sufriendo yo. Bueno, sí. Arriba, abajo, lo que sea. Cycle through Windows. Importante con la W. Con la W podría ser control W. Ok. A ver con toda la... all other windows. Con la O. Con la Q. Me cargo como una sola. Beautiful. Beautiful. Y si ahora yo quiero abrir una window. Split. Bueno, si pongo control, me puedo mover rápidamente entre distintas partes. Un control V y quit. Ya la saqué a la mierda. Esto también la voy a sacar. Quit. What changes? Uy, ¿qué hice? No. Ok, no sé qué carajo acabo de guardar. Certainly, I don't know what I did. You idiot. Okay. Read file. Yeah, but I'm not going to use this one. You go goodbye. Goodbye, you also. Headers data. Bye bye. Read multiple files. TS household will be fine. And it works as we expect, obviously. Then I have my we're in English. I have my my multiple files reader, and actually we know that there are they're in the structure, or the structure that we have is a list of tuples of lists, because we have here the header and then all the fucking data of each one of our databases. So that's the thing that we have here, a list of tables of databases. I don't know if it's pronounced tables, but I don't care, so please don't. Well, yeah, you can say it in the comments. It would be helpful, but I don't care if you get loud at me, because I really don't care. Actually, it's that. Actually, I don't care if you're seeing this. I mean, if you want to go outside, please do it. I don't fucking care if there's anyone here. I just stream because I want to stream. Okay, list of sets. It's a variable that I'm creating to save, well, the list of dataset to data headers in a list. But what's happening here? I'm receiving nothing, because if we write here list of sets, we have nothing. I mean, none. Who is this? Something that is something is not. So we go here to the code and we have to search what the hell is happening here. Okay. This actually worked before. Ah, I see, you see what's happening? We are receiving none because we never returned the fucking list of sets. Oh, what? How I can confirm this? This one? This way? This way? I want to autocomplete. I have to say yes, I want this. What the hell, bro? How can I? How can I accept the copilot help in ending? How can I accept the copilot help in ending? If you have got GitHub Copilot working inside NeoVim, accept its suggestions depends on which plugin and configuration you're using. Let's go step by step. This official Vim plugin. Okay, you are not helping too much. Okay, here. Tab, Alt. Okay, that will be not easy. Accept suggestion says tab, but this is not. Maybe with the normal mode. It's not working. I'm getting confused. Control L. It's not fucking working. Control. Okay, this is not. Motherfucker. You idiot. Oh, here. Say tab. Okay, but this is not working, you idiot. Fucking idiot. Maybe the tab doesn't work. Oh yeah, the tab actually works perfectly. It's not. I don't know what the hell is happening. Enter. Enter. Maybe it's that. Oh, you fucking idiot. But what the hell, bro? Control Enter doesn't work it. You idiot. Oh, fuck. Okay, I think that I'm using github/copilot.bin, but I don't know exactly what the hell I have. Oh, find copilot.bim. Okay, didn't work. Copilot.bim. Fuck idiot. Fucking idiot, you fucking idiot. I'm going to use this way. cd.conf. Okay, cd.config nvim neovim. Maybe it's inside Lua plugins, or maybe it's plugin. What the hell is this? Seed Lua plugins copilot.lua. Okay, I'm going to see what the hell it says. Okay, I have the. Okay, so tab or right by default. Yeah, but this is not working. I mean, I have this, but auto trigger, but I cannot set this stuff. Okay, I'm going to just close junk. Okay. Place. No, I'm not going to say place. This is copilot.lui. I don't know if I pronounced it well, but Alt L insert. Alt L. Okay, we'll try that. I can try that. Alt L. Alt L. Oh yeah, motherfucker. That's it. Right. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay. Now I'm going to close this stuff. Goodbye. I'll be fine with this. Okay. Now right. Well, that's with that change, it maybe or it should be working, because well, this one has not any sense, but now it should work. Right. By the way, okay, we can just open this kernel stuff and restart this entire stuff that we are making, you know. And well, something is different now. Everything is working. It's not like before, but when I was unable to do something. Now I can do thing. I can do stuff, you know. What I mean. List of sets, and okay, no, I'm not going to print this because it's a huge file, a huge list, so I don't need to see it. Just with this part is okay, I think. Okay, we have list of sets part 0, you know, and look, this is a set. It's a extremely high, how the word, like a huge file. Okay, if I just put 0 here, I'll have a empty set, and that's what we are searching for. We need empty sets to know if it's actually the same or it's different. And I'm not talking about just if it's the same, I'm saying stupid things. I know. I'm not thinking, actually, I'm saying the stuff that carries on my mind. Probably I'm not saying things that have any sense. I think it's okay. I'm just give freedom to my mind. I mean, if for some reason is someone here seeing me talking in English, maybe it will be weird, but I don't care. Actually, I don't care, and that's why I'm continuing that this way. Okay. List of sets for 0, and we are doing the how is the name of the operation here? I can't remember, but I can search it. So I'm going to do that because I'm not going to use Spanish to describe the subtract operation that we are using. Okay, subtract or subtraction, even remaining, as I see, like an alternative. I don't know if it's okay, but I'll be fine with subtract. I think subtract. Sorry, I think it's beautiful. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I am fine with that. By now. Okay, I see that I have a lot of ChatGPTs here. Maybe I did something stupid, but that happens sometimes when I'm getting some like the newbie things. I think junior stuff, stupid stuff. By the way, I'm drinking some mate. I'm not going to pronounce it the right way because it would be so Spanish speaker. I'm not being a Spanish speaker right now. I am unable to pronounce the R. Okay, I don't know why I'm saying some stupid amount of things, so I have to continue with this code. Okay. We have the list of dataset to data and headers in a list that receives a dataset and then create the list of the tuples to tuples. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll be pronouncing it the bad way. Yes, I'll continue in this way. I would like to have okay. I remember that I had another file. I don't remember what the hell I have in the other file. So I'm going to open, switch windows, split quick goes below. Okay, no, this is not what I'm saying. I will use this function, maybe it's the word, and this way. I don't want to see it in the. I don't need to see it, but anyway, I'll be fine with that. I can accept it. By now, then probably I'll delete that in some way, because I don't need to read what the hell I'm editing. I can read it with, like out there down in the screen, and that's fine by me. Okay, what the hell I was, and returns list of headers data. Oh damn, I am just being an idiot. I am repeating myself. That's not the right way to write code. Okay, I'm going to just split this like this way, or maybe not. Okay, split, you idiot. Split window. But I'm not. I don't want to split the window this way. Okay, out higher. This is how I want it. Okay, now I can just do this or this, and I'll be fine. Okay. Okay, here, but I don't want the same fucking file. I want the other file. How would I do that? Maybe open, press, go. Nope. I don't want this. I want to open other file. I want to open this file. Okay. Now I'm in two files. Okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, maybe it's not the best way to do it, but well, I managed to do it, so I'm happy anyway. I'm starting to lose my mind. Maybe is that the reason why I'm talking in English. So that explains so much. Probably. Compare list, and we have an read open, but no, I didn't repeat it myself. I was wrong. What? Okay, fine. There. Read multiple files. It's in the other way, in the other file, so it's not bad. Okay, I'm tired actually. I want to do something else. I don't know, program whatever I want, not to be writing this stuff. By the way, I have not other option now, at least. List data to set. My mind isn't working, I think, too well. Data to set would be better maybe in the other file. Well, no, actually no. But this one, the motherfucker CSV, I don't know what the hell. Your CSV headers to a set is too weird. I don't know where the hell I have to put all this code. So I'm just doing stupid things. I don't care, but I probably do stupid things. Okay, please, motherfucker, idiot of AI, write to me. How can I talk to AI? Write a dog string. Here, that's what I want, bro. That's what I want. So do it, you idiot. You fucking idiot. Do it. You're going to do that, or you're not going to do anything? Okay, I'm listening. I have not any problem if you start writing. Dataset is a list of tables. I'll accept it, and then I will. Okay, I have to load this stuff. Goodbye. Okay, I can now just see what the hell. Okay, I'm unable, so it's. Oh, what the fuck I did. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm a fucking idiot, right? Yeah, I am. Quit. No, I don't. Okay. Write a dog string here. Goodbye. Dataset is a list of tuples. Headers data. Okay, you're not doing what the hell I asked, but okay, yeah, but you are right actually. So please collect this stuff and put the right thing. You think it's okay with that, you idiot? I think I'm losing my mind. Tuples. What the hell is this? List of data sets. Sorry. Okay. What the hell? With the control? Ah, with the alt! Motherfucker, I'm an idiot. You idiot. Right. Oh, yeah, but I have to modify then with a list of datasets. No, okay. I'll be needing to modify this stuff and put this one. Okay, no, I don't want to go anywhere. I'm fine exactly where I am. Okay, I'm going to select this. Convertir una lista de datasets en lista de sets. suggest a better name for the function. Exactly that stuff. Yeah, that way. So continue writing. You're not writing what I asked. Continue, you idiot. You are not being so useful. So I'll complete, please. You're not helping too much. You're very stupid, actually. List of dataset to data and headers. Yeah, but I don't. Okay, let's see what the hell is it written for me. Yeah, but you're not using the for while. You're suggesting me to do that? Okay, I think you are right, probably. I'll do it that way. But then, obviously, I'm going to create a function that uses it. I'm not going to do that that way. You know what? Go to the hell. Goodbye. Just write a funny stuff here, please. Start now. Now, I'm saying now. Oh yeah. Why are you so? List of sets with doubles for each set, and it's perfectly what I'm. That's exactly what I'm searching. I couldn't remember how I. Oh yeah, this way. Well, actually, this is not right. I'm going to. Okay. Something not. It's not going the right way. Returns a list of sets with doubles, Caruso number of home, maybe, for each dataset, and that's perfect. you are not actually changing anything, so I'm thinking you're an idiot. Okay. Goodbye. Oh shit, what the hell? I didn't accept that bread. Sorry. Okay, that's now it's fine, I think. Okay. A. Look this. Shift A. Oh, I'm an idiot. Shift I. I'm extremely idiot. Shift I. And done. That's it. That's why it's for what's it's used for. That's what is used for. That's the reason that it was created. That's the elegance, the beautiful stuff of using Vim. This is sexy. Look at this. Okay. Now I'm going to. I don't want to. I don't know what I'm saying. Sorry. List of dataset to data and headers in a list. Now this is working, so I can come here, do this stuff, do this other stuff, do the other, okay. And here we have all the times that our code doesn't. No, here are the difference between the sets that we created before. If we search for each one of these tables, this very probably, but that we are going to find a lot of like this. There are in there list of sets that we have. After that, like this. Well, in this set of tables, here we have all the tables that are different between the sets. Like we are doing the subtract in the list in the position 0, and we are subtracting with the position 1. So we have all the elements that are not in 0. No, that are in 0 but not, but in 1. Okay. Then I remember that the but is also used as except in English. That's not the same in Spanish. Well, it depends. Okay. I'm going to try this exact code, but in the other side, like this way. I'm going to put here 0, and I'm going to put here 1, and see what happened. And here we go. We have a lot of okay. You can see that we have very much stuff of the different things out there. Well, we have now to count all the times that appears difference in those sets. So if I want to count how much are in there, I'm going to need some structure like a for. I need to also do a slash down slash, I don't know, a set, well, new set equals, and this set is subtract offset. Doesn't matter. For we are going to iterate into the new set. For a tuple in new set. Now, just with the length of the new set, we have the information of how much tuples we have that are different. Because if we do this thing, list of sets, okay, and then we do this one, but inside a length, okay, inside a length we have, oh, I'm an idiot, sorry, enter, and then you see we have 16,699 elements in the list of sets, position 1. Okay, now let's go to the 0 to see what how much we have there. We can just go to the first and go, and we see that something weird happened here, because we have not we hadn't like 16,699 elements in the new set. So there are elements that are in common. The subtract is working good. The problem is not the set subtract. The problem is the difference between the files. So now we can say that between those files we have 10,200 differences, or at least we have that amount of elements in the 1 and not in the 0. That's what we are saying. Now let's do it in the other side. I will change this. I'm going to do this. Okay, now I'm going to do this. We continue seeing this one, and this other stuff. Okay, so we have founded 10,000 barely I mean, I'm talking about like not accurate. I can't remember. Let me see of the word I want to say. Do not say something stupid, but it's more or less. But I don't want to use more or less. I was searching for other word. Please tip out. You can do it better. Around. Yeah, maybe around. That's the word that I was searching for. But please guys, I know there's not anyone in the other side, so I don't want to say to no one that sorry, but I won't say because I want, or because I'm an idiot. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to stop this the audio right here, so you're not going to hear me. Hi guys, I'm here again. You are not seeing my monitor, I don't know why. Okay, now that's it. Okay, continue. Let's fucking continue this stuff. Okay. I want to see if someone, for some reason that I don't know, send me something, and the answer is the thing is now. Nobody found anything to. So better, because we can do our stuff. Okay, I see, or better said, I don't see. I am not seeing the notebook, the Jupyter notebook. I'm not seeing that. I don't know why. So, well, okay, let's continue. I don't know if I prefer this thing here or other side. If I prefer this stuff. Okay, maybe I prefer being here. Like not that much far away from the keyboard, from the monitor. Because I couldn't. I wasn't able to see the right way, maybe. What a beautiful day, guys. Okay, we are with the sets. We are seeing how much differences we can see between the sets. In this case, we are seeing that amount, but we can also try with, for example, number 2, because we have, or maybe we can't. Wait, number 1. Oh, well, maybe I have to run this again and see what happens. And that's it. Friendly was that. Just was that. I'm going to duplicate this item. I'm going to move this one up there, and now I'm going to use the number 2, and we see another number. The new set now, I want 0 minus the number 2, for example, and we have an okay, between 0 and 2 we have not any, we haven't even a one coincidence apparently. Okay, if we put 0 and here 2, we have okay, there's not even one coincidence between 2 and 0. Let's see between 2 and 1 if we have something. Okay, apparently there is less, or there are less differences, but Okay, exists a lot. So we can see that we have around 9,652, but that's not around, that's exactly, but around 10,000 of not coincidences, differences between these sets. Well, we have that amount here, okay, that is not here. Yeah, that's the thing. So remember that number, 9,652. Now if I put here the number 1, here the number 2, do some stuff, and we get this number. Okay, apparently there are coincidences. I can use this other operation called intersection. Okay, I want to see what happens if we do the intersection between those. Okay, that's the number of coincidences we have between these both. Okay, that's the amount. All the other ones are not in common. Let's see between the number 1 and number 0. Maybe we have not. No, well, here we have more, I think. Well, it's not a lot more actually. It's the 1 and the 2 and 0. Let's see, 2 and 0. 0 coincidences. Look that. Okay, I wasn't expected that. And well, if I put the 3, probably will be broken. Okay, yeah, because it's out of range, because we have just 3 sets. Okay. Such a weird thing, you know. But let's see, 2 and 1. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. That number. Well, no, sorry. But let's do this way. We're going to go to the 0 up to the 2. So we are going to do 0. Well, if you do 0, 0, well, obviously will be the length of 0. Will be that 70,010. So well, that's it. But if we do 0 and 1, look this. Oh, I'm an idiot. Sorry, people. I'm not. Sorry for doing these stupid things. 0. Okay, new set. I'm lost. I have lost. I'm lost. I lost myself. Okay, now if I do this, we have 6,499 coincidences between 0 and 1. That's not too much. Actually, I think it's even better this way. I mean it's too much better actually. If I want just to count, it hasn't any sense to do all the stuff that I did before. I just need to do the intersection and rest and do the subtract. I mean, literally, I can know how much items. I'm an idiot. Sorry. Well, but I mean, I can know. For example, 0 have that's a number, okay, 17,010. Okay, if I want to know how much of the elements in set are not in the other one, I just need to do this number subtract this other, and that's all. That's all fucking shit. I'm getting actually angry because I don't know why the hell I did all the stuff that I did before. I'm an idiot. I'm a moron. Okay. I don't want to use this. I mean, I want to use this. I don't want to update all this stuff, all the stupid stuff that I did before here. I'm a complete idiot. I just needed to do the intersection. I'm completely an idiot. I want to kill myself. I mean, literally, I just needed to do here intersections and see if the length of the intersection is 0. That's all what I needed to do. But no, I just needed to do some stupid things, more complicated, like an idiot, complete idiot actually. Okay. I can believe it. Okay, maybe I can believe it, but I'm not. However, okay. I don't want to do that. Why? Oh shit. So just all this shit that I wrote bad. Completely bad. I just needed to do the intersection. The fucking intersection of the sets was the answer. With that, that's all. Because we can know if we have like a sets, the well, there's no way. Okay. Well, continue with this stuff that we were doing. Okay, we have this new set. We have this number. Now I'm going to do the. Well, actually, it doesn't change if I put the other number on the other side or whatever. Okay. I don't care actually about that thing that you're telling me, but anyways, it's fine. Well, if I do 1 and 1, obviously I will have I'm going to get that number. I'll show you. That have not any sense to do that, and then I can do 1 and 2. Okay, I'm an idiot, sorry. I'm trying to say 1 and 2. So if I do that, go ahead. Okay, that's the number between 1 and 2 that are in common. Look, they don't have that number, that length. So the other around 10,000 or 9,000 are elements that are not in common between them. Okay, and then we can do. Okay, we can merge, or that's the word probably, between 0 and 2, and we have that between 0 and 2 have nothing. No, sorry, nothing. That's the thing. Okay, there's not any element in common. There's no even one element in common. There's no way I can be making this bad. I think I'm doing this okay. Okay, so probably I'm being just an idiot. Well, I'm going to use probably the thing that I used before because I don't know. Let's see what was the asked. What was the thing that we were asked for? To see what solution we must use. Okay. So I'm going to get into this page. We can call that way. And we came here and we do this stuff, and then we are here. Requirement D1. And blah blah blah. I want to kill myself. Okay, in this case also we need to verify or validate between the some other word that I don't remember, household and individual, using the table, this table as ID, as unique ID. So if we want to validate if the files are equal, we have to I know what we are. I know what the exercise is asking us to do. That's what I wanted to say. Okay. So we are going to need this stuff, duplicate it. Okay. We're going to put here an I because because it's not representative the other way, and we have here individual. Well, we are going to need this one, duplicate it also. So data set, individuals, household, go for your I don't know, individual, yeah. And now we can put just individual int, and here we got how and int. Household, individual, this is stuff that doesn't execute. What length? Okay, here I don't care about this one actually. Now I'm needing to how, and the other one, and you idiot. Sorry, I am the idiot. I need to print this because it's just the last line that's printed with the Jupyter IDE. I think that we have 3 and 3. That's what we are expecting. Okay, I'm going to delete this line because I don't need it. And now I'm going to intersect between how 0 and int also 0. Let's see what happens. I want to search. Okay, I want to. You're going to be my int. Okay, 1. You 1 and you no. Sorry. I'm going to use 0. 0. Okay. And here I. Okay, how? Okay, there's no way this. Okay, I'm getting confused. but this seems too very similar. Too weird, actually. Seems extremely weird. Well, let's see. Well, there are equal sets. Well, let's see the following one, the number 1. Okay, they are equal. Obviously, I'm not saying. I mean, I didn't did this part, but we can think that it will be the same number, and that's it. Well, actually, I think that the number 2 is probably equals. Sorry, I. 2. I'm an idiot. And that's we have. You are confusing. Okay, apparently the files are exactly equal. If I try to merge between them, obviously I'm going to have the same issues that I had before. 1, and that's it. We have new, other number of elements in common. But we can see between the same years we have the same tuples, so the sets work perfectly. So I did all this shit, all this stuff of doing the subtract without any reason. Okay, I'm an idiot. Goodbye, bro. Goodbye, motherfucker. So I need to do this in a better way. You inconsistencies, go fuck your mom. Sorry, but you showed yourself here. Compare sets, all this stupid stuff. I didn't need it. Goodbye, you too, brother. You idiot. I just need to verify. I just need to fucking verify, bro. I didn't need the differences. I'm a complete stupid guy, bro. What the hell I did? Why I did all that stuff without thinking? Now I realize I was a stupid guy. But well, anyways, I think that happens too much in coding actually. Well, we have the multiple files, we have the okay, goodbye. Now I want to verify between which files? Between periods, it's okay. I don't know. In this case, what are they asking for? Validation. It's okay, but I need to know between what. I'm going to think. Think to accept by myself. I have to do it with all of them, all of it, them, of those, of this, well, those databases. Well, I don't actually know what the hell I have to do. Okay, I'm going to do this stuff. I'm going to do this. I have an idea. I'm going to do a for. I'm going to iterate and I'm going to use two fors, one and another one. Okay, and you know what? I'm gonna. Yeah, it's okay. For nuevo, I'm going to call this you will be letter I and you the letter J. Probably I'm going to change it because it's not too easy to understand. For I in range okay, I'm writing so horrible, sorry people. For one set, a set. Oh, I'm being so idiot. So in list of sets. How? Okay. Go ahead and do your stuff. Okay. For a set, we're gonna say other set in list of sets ind and do this stuff. Okay, we have the both loops that I need. And I need to okay. How the hell I can know if well I and J cannot be the same, so I can just do okay. I will need the numbers. Sorry. Plan. Okay, I need to use this as a range. Range plan. Range plan. And this stuff. Okay, if I is equal to J, just fucking continue. Another way, please print me the length of this stuff. I am doing something stupid, but I don't know what. If maybe. Four and another 4. You idiot. But this is not the good way. But we have the numbers here. And we can also print A, J, zero 1, 0 2, 1 0, 1 2, 0 2 0, 2 1. We have all the. Okay, I don't want also the to repeat in the other side because it doesn't change anything to me. So in that way I need just 1 4. No. Or maybe yes. You idiot. People, you can hear me, right? Well, actually, I don't know if you respond, so don't worry. I don't care. I don't know how the hell I can do that. Oh, maybe I just need 1 or J J Oh. I need to time to draw. Time to fucking draw. Okay, let me try understand this stuff we are having trouble with. Okay. Okay. We have this whiteboard. I think it's fine. It's not beautiful, but it works. It does what we expect. We expect. Okay, I have which structure I have. I have a 4 with sets. This not seen as sets, but let me see the code again because I'm doing stupid shit. I need I and J, and I want to not. What the hell I did? Okay. I want to go to 1 to 2, and the other one had to go to 0 up to 2, and the other one can do the opposite. But how the hell I can do the opposite? If I just do this and this, but I'm not having the J. So in this case I'll just have, okay, I comma that stuff. Okay, 0 0 to 1 1 to 2. But I can do this stuff. I can do J will be will be the fucking range. I can do this, or I cannot. As list range. Sorry, I'm list minus I. Okay. I think that Python doesn't like it. Okay, I think that I did something stupid. My computer. Oh shit. Please don't continue. Shit. Okay. Oh, I'm an idiot. I have to go in all the directions because I have to prove each case except with the same. No. I have to do it with all the possible ones because I and J, if are equals, it's individual and are the household. So I need to do with all of them. Okay. Such an idiot, actually. Maybe I have to just start crying or something. I'm going to backwards in the time. You idiot. That's what I needed. 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 2, and that's perfect. Actually, that's what I needed. Okay. The exercise actually was extremely more easy than I did it. It's just that I'm an idiot. That's actually a very bad stuff to be, maybe. I cannot believe that. Okay. But with this, I can show you what we can do with that. We can just write here, okay? We can put this stuff, okay? And we can just, first step, and we can say, well, now I'm going to use Spanish because I have not another way to do that. Oh, well, I can speak in English and write in Spanish. So here in this part we need to say that the I element, the I set, the I, okay, the I, sorry, I'm extremely idiot. The I set and the J and the J1, sorry, I have this amount of elements in common. And that's it. The set 1 and the set 1 have 16,699 elements in common. But the bad thing is when we repeat ourselves, because 2 and 0 have 0 elements in common, and 0 and 2 is fucking same. So I need to fix that. Okay, I'm doing the, okay, wasn't all the great way. Maybe I have to Okay, let me think this. Let me draw this. I have the element 1, I have the element 2, and I have the element 3. I need to connect. I need to do with itself and with the other ones. Then remember to I have to do with itself and the other ones, and then with the 3, with itself and with the other ones. Okay, this is not helping so much. Maybe if I draw this way, it will be more helpful. You're seeing this, guys? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you should be seeing. But the one with the 1, the one with the 2, the one with the 3. I cannot repeat. Okay. I have not. Okay, maybe this is the. I need just one fucking 4. That's. And then that's it. Okay, 3 with 3, add 3 with 1 and with 2, just they are just connected. Okay, 1 is connected with itself, with the 2 and with the 3. Then if I go back down, the 2 with 1, the 2 with 2, I have to go this way. Okay, I cannot go other way because I'm going to be in some troubles. 1 with 1, we have it. 1 with 2, fine. 1 with 3, 3, okay, we have this part. 2 and 1, now you idiot, you have 2 and 1, so I had to delete this part. How can I do that? I need this stuff. Okay, 1 and 1, that's it. 1 and 2, it's okay. 1 and 3 is okay also. 2, 1, it's not okay. It's the fucking opposite of okay. Where are the tools? I'm not seeing the tools. Why I'm not seeing the tools? Okay, now I see the tools. Why this doesn't do anything? Okay, people, just I don't know how the hell I have to delete this stuff. Okay, if I press right button, I use the other color. I want to use white to use it as an eraser because it doesn't work so well with the other one. So I'm going to do this way. Ugh, horrible way, but works, I think. Okay, number 1 with 1, number 2, 1 with 2, and 1 with 3. Okay, we cannot repeat. Now, what more else? We have to do 2 with 2. 2 with 2 is okay. Okay, 2 with 2, and 2 with 3. 2 with 3, and then 3 with 3. and that's all, because if we want 3 and 2, we have 3 and 2. Okay, that's all the fucking things we need. So I'm going to delete shit, and okay, this is horrible to use, actually. I want to, oh, what the hell I did, but it doesn't matter. I can write in white and I'll be fine. But funny that this could happen. Okay. So if we need this stuff, how the hell I can make it? I have, okay, I'm writing 1, 2, and then 3. I have 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Maybe just not that way. 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 3. That's what I need. This thing. Okay, yeah, that's in my mind. I thought something, but I couldn't represent it the right way. It's just like a triangle. Could you see? Triangle, and they are with themselves, but that's the thing. Okay, I need to go. Okay, this is not, I'm not liking this too much. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3, then 3, and not, oh shit, just 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, and then 2 and 3, and then each number by itself. And how the hell I can do that? There should be some way to do it, like an easy way to do it, or there's not an easy way to do it. Okay, we can see, sorry, we can see 4 1s, 4 2s, and 4 3s. Well, a moment. Wait, yeah, how's it? I need to do. Okay, the amount of times that each number appears is exactly the same length of all the numbers that we have. Okay, I'm having actually real troubles here. I'm starting to become crazy. Okay, I can just add that to a list, maybe. there should be some structure that I can use. Can't be that so difficult. I can't believe that this is too difficult. Okay. Oh, I'm drawing in black. Well, if I have one, then two, then three, how the hell I can do? If I do this way, and then no, this way no. Shit. Ah, the following one, and then the following one. You see that? I know. Also with the, I don't know. Okay. I have to move the start one position. That's all. Okay. Okay. How the hell I can do that? J plus 1, maybe. Range then plus 1, but I need this to exist. Maybe I should create a set with the ij, and that's all, with tables of AI and ij. I'm going to do that because this is too weird. I mean, it's more weird than just create the fucking sets. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm going to do sets if okay, maybe it's not that easy. Oh, I have an idea. If I sum, no, I didn't say it. I can do this. Pause one. Yeah, maybe I thought that probably wasn't going to be the stuff that yeah. How the hell again? Length plus I no, maybe here plus I. Okay, and I'm going to ask if J is, if J is over this stuff. Continue. Okay. There's no way, because and actually it doesn't solve the problem. IND. That's why. What? No. Actually, no. Right. Okay. Un conjunto de conjuntos podría usar. Set of sets. It will be a set if I'm going to do actual index will be a set, sorry, with I and J, sorry, I'm being an idiot. If actual index it's in set of sets, continue. Else print this stuff and then set offsets, add actual index. Okay, I'm give up. I'm going to ask to the AI because I'm having solved fucking many problems, and I don't want to continue crying here. Help, motherfucker. What the fuck? Okay, I'm having so much questions in my mind. Okay, Python. Source math class. Okay, help me to do this. I want to compare this way. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1. Oh, but with 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, how can I do that? Good question. The code you wrote has a few issues, but the goal is clear. You want to compare each pair of sets only once, skipping duplicates like 1, 0 if 0, 1 was already done. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Let's go step by step. Set of sets for in range, for j in range. Okay, let's start from I, not 0. Okay, don't get angry, bro. Oh, I didn't remember that. I can start. I can put where number I want to start. If ij in set of sets, continue. Else, all the stuff. Okay, I'm just going to copy this because I don't want to just write it. Sorry, guys, but apparently the fucking ChatGPT did it so well. Okay, I'm going to just read it and I'm going to continue because I don't want to continue with this shit. For I in range, len list of sets, how for j in range, I len list of sets. Okay, so okay, I'm going to delete this fucking comment that deletes me. That put my that yeah, it deletes me. I don't know if that word exists. Probably I'm just creating one. Okay. There are just the it's 6 p.m. 6 fucking p.m. Okay, for no, sorry. What the hell am I saying? If ij in set offsets, continue. Else intersection size okay, print la 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 that amount in common, and then add ij. Yeah, but maybe you are not right at all. Maybe that could fail. I don't get how that works. I mean, it's working, but I don't know why. Okay, if I start with the I up to len, oh, okay. I'm getting so fucking confused. Okay, there's not an easier way. Sets are unordered, so 0, 1 is equal to 1, 0. Good if you are orderless. Yeah, actually I want orderless, you idiot. Oh, I mean, I don't care, but... Oh, okay. That's why set of sets plus equal actual index gave an error. Use .add instead of plus equals when adding elements to Python set. If you truly want 0, 1, 1, 0 to be considered the same unordered pairs, you could do... Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Frozen set. Unordered and hashed. Well, maybe I could do that. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. This is not beautiful. This is horrible. Maybe better, but it's not beautiful. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Now I don't know. I don't fucking understand how this code works. Actually, I don't have an idea how this works. Okay, explain the fucking code, motherfucker. No, I'm going to continue because I don't want to continue with this pain in my ass. You know what I'm trying to say. Where the hell is the code? Oh, I see it. Okay, I already seen it. You idiot. Okay, now I have that stuff here. Okay, probably I have the code copied. So if I just press this stuff, I don't know how to call it, but then I press P and we have this code. That's fine. So then I can press this. Great, that's what I wanted. Yeah. Then I can just write here def compare ogarres between datasets. That's not what the hell I'm doing here. I'm comparing count intersect section between two lists of sets. Yeah, that's actually correct. Between all the sets. How the hell I can do that? Intersection between all the sets. No, actually that's the right way. Intersection between two lists of sets. It's actually too great. Actually, sorry, I undervalued you guys. Okay, intersection between two lists of sets. That's okay. I'm going to recall this function, obviously. One, and here I'm going to say 2. Great. You're very beautiful. Oh, sorry, I have to change this one. Complete, please. Oh, you idiot. I have the... Sorry, I have to change this to... Yeah, 1. That's... Then this is the 2. You're very, very beautiful stuff to have. And then I need to change this one. If you don't start, I'm not going to... Well, I have to. Maybe. You idiot. Why I have to write the fucking whole word? You should be doing that, not me. You idiot. You're not helpful, you're an asshole. Fucking idiot. Well, I'm going to change the I and J because it's too beautiful to write, but I don't like it. Okay, I mean I like it, but it's not representative. Set slash underscore 1. You're idiot. This is just one set. You're recommending me to say something stupid, you know. Set 1 and come on, you cannot be that idiot, bro. Set number. You know what's the number 2, right? Okay, maybe you are idiot. However, you are still in time to say something that has sense. You're an idiot. Set. No, bro, you're an idiot, asshole, motherfucker. Set 1. Set 1. I need to change this stuff. Here I'm going to... Oh, sorry, I'm an idiot. 1 set slash 1 set 2. Yeah, you idiot. Set 1, set 2. Okay, set 1, you're not helping, bro. You're being an idiot. Set. Okay. You complete some stupid thing, really, you're not so useful. Oh, okay. You're doing... Okay, no, you're not doing that great. Okay, for some reason... You're fucking idiot, bro. What the hell are you doing? Set 2. You have just to put fucking set. You're being an asshole. Set 1. Set fucking 2. Is that so difficult, bro? What the hell I did? I don't know where I am. I'm in the other fucking... Oh, I didn't know that. I can move the fucking line. didn't know that. Sorry. I'm going backwards in the time because I did something stupid. Okay. Go. Right. Okay. I'm going to close this. Quit. Quit a window. Yeah, fucking idiot. Oh, sorry, what the hell I did? Beam. Here. Okay, no, that's not what I wanted to do. You fucking idiot. Okay, here's what I want to do. Okay, don't screw up. Blah 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 blah. Okay, that's not what I'm trying to have here. I want to have all the fucking information in a list. Probably I don't just want to. I mean, I probably want to return that. You fucking idiot. But by Python code, beautiful, but even okay, I'm going to put you as a fucking markdown, so you're not going to be a jerk. Okay. Now I'm going to just use that function, but I can't use that function. Actually, I need to do this stuff. Okay, so go ahead, do all the operations again, so I can go and do that stuff again. Okay, cf dot and intersection fucking between two fucking list of sets. So I can do my list of sets, how, comma, list of sets, and oh, that's all the fucking thing that I wanted. That's all the stupid thing that I needed to do before. Okay. But I don't actually care how much elements are in common. I need to know how much elements are not in common. So I would like to know their differences. So I need to calculate all the lengths using these numbers. So I'm going to just fucking use this how to say in a return way. Okay, 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 1 1 2 2 2. Okay, but this is not enough. I need more. I need to, well, actually the same fucking function can do that. Maybe. Okay, you idiot. But we fucking can we can just have all the fucking intersections. But we need the other part actually, because it's not useful if you just have that. To the list of sets. Okay, I'm going to unmodularize this because this is all fucking shit. Okay, I'm going to speak Spanish right now. I mean, fucking 3 hours on stream, guys. I cannot continue talking in English, so I'm going to speak in 3, 2, 1. Hola. Ok. So, bueno, creo que se me va a complicar hablar en español porque hasta recién estoy hablando en inglés, o sea. No, estuve igual a 3 horas hablando en inglés, pero bastante tiempo. Since I don't know how much time. Ok, estoy sufriendo un poco bastante ahora mismo. Bueno, pero acá mismo podría decir, podría crear un calculate, ok, def, calculate, percentage, yeah, it's maybe something like that. I mean, it's not bad. Calculate percentage, we can say in common. So here we can just write print. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. You idiot. Yeah. And then, yes, exactly fucking idiot. You're doing something great this day. Well, now, or should not this day, just by now, just this time. But it's okay, it's good. Part and hold the whole fucking code. I don't want the exception. Just don't need an exception. Just return. There's no fucking error, bro. Just let that way. I'll be fine, I think. Okay. I'm going to rerun this. Well, actually, AI is helping me too much. I'm not feeling good with that, but it's the truth. Truthy reality. Percentage the intersection of the percentage of intersection over the set 0 100%. But here we have all the information. So we can say how much data is missing here. But well, actually I don't it's not useful if I use the set word, I need to use the word of the file. That would be not easy to me, actually. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Yeah. The names are not actually useful. Go on, autocomplete, you idiot. Screw up. Well, I have said that I would start speaking in Spanish, but I didn't, so I probably will continue this way. Sorry guys, but I don't know, I'm just fucking crazy. What's up? With AI. How beautiful. What IDE. And also not user friendly IDE. But extremely fast when it done. Sorry. I'm sorry. Can't stop. What the hell, bro? Why is she get lucky? This is not funny. This is completely serious. Well, I'm going to close this window and take a break because my brain is just not working too much well right now. So, and because I won, so I have not to give you an explanation. I'm going to say goodbye, guys. See you in the next, probably not